Do you want to learn the best method to create consistent characters using Midjourney? In this video, I created 500 different scenes with one consistent character. I will show you how to do this, and we will put Midjourney's new character reference parameter to a detailed test. We are starting with introduction of the character consistency, prompt parameter cref. Then parameter --cref followed by link of the image with character's face you want to transfer. We are appending the cref parameter to our prompt to describe the new scene and context. The only difference is that we aim to transfer the character's face from image 1 to image 2. There are few rules we need to keep in mind. According to Midjourney team, character reference works best with images created by Midjourney, meaning you can use URL of external images from web or your own face, however output will have significant face distortion. My personal opinion is they added this protection mechanism to prevent fake images and fake news spreading around like the famous Pope image. I observed same face distortion in the Midjourney images created with 5.1 or 5.2 versions. I've got the best results with images created with version 6. Character reference works with only one character for now. If you have a scene with two characters, it's not possible to use multiple character references. Second, visual expression of the character will still be subject to keywords in your prompt, mitigated by how carefully you anchor the details in the prompt. Another important question was, can we transfer not only the character's face, but also the outfit? This is where character reference weight comes into play. Weight 100 is default and transfers the face, hair, and clothes from reference image to the new image. If you want to transfer only character's face, but not character's outfit and hair, then use 0 as character weight. Let's test this feature. First, we will create a photorealistic character who will be consistently represented throughout the video. For this job, we will use atomic prompting style. If you prefer to create an illustrative animation type of character, you need to modify the prompt a little bit. I am creating my photorealistic character as the first step using this prompt. I will call her Mariko. In the second step, we will change the photography type with a brand new prompt in a fresh context, while keeping the character same. Now that I have my character design ready, I'm describing the new scene for my character. Note that I used character weight as 0 because I want Midjourney algorithm to be able to change outfit or hairstyle of character depending on the context. Let's head back to Discord to demonstrate this process step by step. Once you create your character on Discord using regular imagine command, now I'm writing a new prompt. At the end of my prompt, I'm adding my --cref parameter and simply copy and pasting URL from the image with my character reference. After hitting enter, Midjourney created a new image based on my prompt, but kept the character's face exactly same as the reference image. If you want to perform same action on Midjourney Alpha website, all you have to do is drag and drop in your character reference to prompt box here. This action will give you 3 options. You can use this attached image as image prompt, style reference, or character reference represented with the character icon here. Once I did that, I no longer need to write --cref parameter to my prompt. I'm setting up character weight value as 0 because I don't want to transfer my character's outfit to the new scene. Here we successfully transferred our character to new context. I'm finalizing this test with another prompt where we create an underwater photo with the same character. What happens when you employ a character reference while describing multiple people or a group setting in your prompt? In my tests, this brings mixed results. 50% of the time Midjourney focuses on one character in the scene and transfers the face to this character. But there are also times where we see all characters in the scene have same faces. Probably, this needs to be improved in future iterations of the feature with more creative flexibility. Now it's time to do some extensive testing. Starting with changing shot type and camera angles, but keeping the character consistent. We will go one by one. Feel free to pause the video when you need. Here is eye level shot of Mariko. Low angle shot or photo from below. Wide angle shot. Extreme high angle shot. High angle shot or photo from above. Side profile shot. Close-up shot. Underwater shot captured by GoPro. Off-center shot. Dutch angle shot. Full body shot. Silhouette shot. Shot from behind or back view. Extreme close-up shot. Rule of thirds shot. Candid shot. Aerial, drone shot or bird's eye view. Character references can help maintain consistency across different images. We can change our character's actions to depict various activities. Here are a few examples. Mariko is driving a car. She is reading a book. She is cooking. She is jogging. She is laughing. She is dancing. She is singing. Now let's test character consistency with different body postures. Creating dynamic and engaging poses involves considering the positioning of the head, arms, hands, and legs in various combinations. In these examples, I will keep character weight as 0 to only transfer my character's face. Head positions. Head tilted upwards or looking up. Head tilted downwards or looking down. Head turned to the side. She is looking over her shoulder. Arm positions. Arms crossed over chest. Arms raised above head. Arms hanging loosely by the sides. One arm raised, one down. Arms extended forward. Hand positions. Fists clenched. Palms open and upward. Hands are touching the face. Victory sign. Touching her chin. Touching her ear. She is hiding behind her hands. She is hugging herself. She is worried with hands on her mouth. She is combing her hair with her one hand. She is wearing her scarf with her hands visible. She is combing her hair with her two hands. Grateful with hands. Surprised with hands. Leg or body positions. Feet apart. Sitting. Kneeling. Sitting legs crossed. In the same way, we can also modify our character's face expressions and emotions using this prompt structure. Let's see a few examples. Suspenseful, scared, happy, sad, surprised, hopeful, playful, strong. Next, let's test keeping our character design consistent throughout different locations and environments. In jungle, in a futuristic background, in a spaceship, in a coffee shop, on the beach, on the bus, at home. Outdoor blue sky is visible. Sitting in a leather throne, with neon lighting, in a city scene, sitting in a narrow room full of boxes, laying down on the table with painting materials are all over everywhere. In a room with papers hanged everywhere in Japan, under confetti rain. In Cappadocia, Turkey, with colorful balloons and blue sky. Standing in front of an urban exploration location, featuring an old door and a building adorned with graffiti. In a narrow street in Tokyo. At this point you may ask, what if I want to use both style and character consistency together? As a reminder, style reference allows you to transfer art styles from any image and create new images consistent to original image. Style reference and character reference parameters can be used together. For example, I created this Overwatch-inspired image using character reference. I liked the art style here. With consistent style and characters, we can create series of manga, anime, comic book inspired images in a storyboard format and tell a story. For using both character and style reference together in Midjourney Alpha website, drag and drop your image to prompt box, and while holding Shift, choose this character icon together with paperclip. With same method, You can also create children's books for self-publishing. For example, here I created a character design using real photo of my dog Lonnie as image prompt. Then using this image as character reference, I created a new scene where I depict Lonnie right after a bank robbery. My jungle spies have informed me that some of you are watching my content without hitting that subscribe button. Don't be shy, join the jungle. We've got some deep dive Midjourney tutorials coming soon. Let's proceed with testing various outfits while maintaining the consistency of our character Mariko's face. In this section, I will experiment with different clothes and costumes. Note that we reset our character's weight to 0 to enable flexible changes to our character's clothes. Here are few examples. Mariko as astronaut, wearing a cropped tank top, high-waisted mom jeans with a small bag. Wearing a bright red summer dress with floral patterns, sandals, and a sun hat. Wearing cargo pants, canvas sneakers, and a beanie. And here she is a firefighter, diver, ballerina, boxer, and chemist. In addition to changing your character's outfit and fashion, you can easily modify their hairstyle, try new accessories, or add tattoos while maintaining the original facial design. Here are few examples. Afro hair, pixie cut, dreadlocks. Next, I wanted to test to have same character in 4 different ages. 5 years, 20 years, 40 years, and 60 years old. Here we will keep clothing, pose, hair and everything same and just vary the age. In my tests, I achieved satisfactory results for a 5-year-old character using the same character reference. However, despite adjusting the character weight values and prompt, I could not generate older versions of my character using character reference. This is likely because the character reference significantly influences the final design. Even at a value of 0, it still produces younger characters, contrary to my prompt specifying an older age. Using new cref parameter, you can blend 2 characters together. For that, you need to add URLs with image references after your cref parameter. And on Midjourney Alpha website, you need to drag and drop both images to prompt box and choose character reference for both images. This can be quite interesting to experiment with. Hopefully, this video was truly helpful for you to explore consistent characters on Midjourney. If you felt a spark of inspiration, show your support with a thumbs up and join our jungle community by subscribing for more mind-blowing tutorials. If you want to learn more about Midjourney and AI filmmaking, click here.